HKS for the win. That's stupid shit we do.
Separates us from wide open. Is that what she said?
That's what I told her. I was like, what the fuck? You keep the shit wide open on a daily basis?
Every day, all day.
Gotta love sluts. I said, gotta love sluts.
Yeah.
Well, of course. You can hear his car from here.
But you want it.
It's me so loud.
Yes, it is.
How loud was it when I was driving up this one?
Oh, it was
Like,
pretty
we heard
fucking
you.
loud. Yeah, we heard you before we saw you.
Was I on it when you first?
Oh yeah. And when we first heard it, yeah, you were on it. And then once we finally saw you, yeah, that was when you went. What the fuck?
You must have been doing what, 100? 80?
Yeah, I don't know. It was almost top of third.
Yes, you would do.
Up there he is.
That's not him, is it?
Tell me, no. No,
Oh, that's him behind him.
Oh.
God damn. Like, that's a sheriff. Like, they're doing something. Hey, dude, it's just standing right there and a Supra pulled out behind me.
Oh, man.
Fail and a half.
Failing half. Piece of crap prelude. You can hear Andrew just sitting there. Whoa.
Yeah, just going slow so you can do a flyby. Very nice.
It's like fucking balls.